What is going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Joey50. If you're new, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. I know it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, so this is a little awkward for me. I hope you guys have been doing well. I know it's been a while. Not much has happened. Haven't been going to shows. Joe's up in Michigan. I haven't done anything to the car. But today, I've been talking about this for a couple months. We're finally doing the coilovers. We're going to my mom's fiance's shop. His name is Jay. You'll see him later. I'm going to have Tony on the camera. Shout out Tony. Go check out his Instagram and stuff. It's on the page, on the screen, whatever. And yeah, I'm excited. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be like flipping back and forth between a YouTube video and installing the coilovers. He's gonna help me, of course, but I wanna like learn myself. So that's what we're gonna go do today. And I'll see you guys when Tony gets here. Let's get the coilovers loaded up.
Are we rolling?
SR Performance coilovers going on the FOXBODY today. I don't know. They look beautiful. I wish I got the springs powder coated though. These, I don't know how long it's gonna take to install. I also have almost no clue what I'm doing. So this should be a fun day. This is from when I rear-ended Joe. It's worse than I thought, but that's okay. It's getting wrapped anyway. Shows how much I drive the car.
Shot your shit. Won't break?
No. Gonna break my wrist. How'd you do that?
That's an impact, that's just for screw driving.
Oh, that makes a little more sense.
These are easier to take off than it is from here.
I didn't.
There's too much pressure. You need that wrench that's over there. These are gonna drop, so be careful. It's not gonna do nothing.
So these are the old shocks, which they're supposed to come back out, which they don't. So these are shit, which is why the ride quality was so shit. These are the new ones. We're going into the car. Hopefully the ride quality will be better after this. Shit.
But see how close I went on the other ones?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be about the same.
Is that what you're trying to do?
Well, you want them even, or at least what you think is even. Twist that thing to the left a little bit.
The hand?
Yeah. Alright. Now go up nice and easy. Slower. Come on. Stay here more. Nice and soft.
Up?
Wait.
I had auto shock with Joe, and we had to, we actually were lowering that Intrepid, right? And I was using the jack. He said lower it a smidge, but the handle wouldn't turn. So I was like, I was trying to like, you know, be easy with it, and it just dropped. And he was like, that's more than a smidge. That's like 3 smidges.
Go up here.
Look on their hands, you're doing some work.
I know. It's kind of like rewarding doing work.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that thing right there.
recoup at least an inch.
But you gotta remember trip.
Right. I know, but eventually I want
Now-
it to be
Like the old ones, that tire had to be coming fucking close.
Alright, we got the front coilovers on today. We're gonna do the rears next week. So it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys, but it's gonna be a whole week for me. So, but the fronts are on. We're looking anorexic as shit right now. I can fist my car. Oh. So, but it's looking good. I hope the ride quality is better. We're gonna probably go around the block a couple times or something. Then take it home, wait till next week, do the backs. Then we have coils. I think after the coils, I'm gonna either do tints, maybe buy the wrap. Then it's probably gonna get close to winter, so probably won't have much content going on over the winter. But I do plan on buying parts over the winter. The 5-lug conversion, wheels, tires. And then come spring, I should be wrapping it. I had a color in mind, but now I'm kind of like indifferent about colors. So I haven't decided on a color yet, but stay tuned. I will see you guys in about 2 seconds. It'll be a week for me.